Hello and welcome to yet another episode of Question Time with Good Design and Build. We're going to address the question of timelines in this particular video. So we get asked by a lot of clients what are the timescales from design to build to completion for a simple project of kitchen extension or a loft conversion. So if it's a singular loft or kitchen extension project, this is how the timescales will typically work. So from onboarding us to carrying out a measured survey of the property, we usually allow 3 to 4 weeks for all the designs to be done completed and submitted for planning application. So you're looking at 4 weeks of design time, then you allow 8 weeks of planning application approval time, because that's how much the councils take to approve the planning applications. That takes you 12 weeks until the pre-build phase starts. Now the pre-build phase will consist of completing your building control drawings, structural calculations, sorting out the party wall agreements where required. Now all these formalities roughly 2 to 3 weeks, depending on how quickly the neighbors will sign the party wall agreements. Obviously we can help you throughout all those stages. So you're looking at about 15 weeks before the build can begin. And if it's a simple loft or an extension, usually allow roughly between 8 to 10 weeks for the completion of the project on site in terms of the build aspect of it. If there are other smaller projects involved within that, for example, if you're also refurbishing your first floor bathroom, you're refurbishing the front area of the ground floor, then you add 3 to 4 weeks on top. But it's gonna range between 8 to maximum 12 weeks from start to end for the build. I hope that was helpful, and if you have any more questions about any aspects of your project, feel free to drop us an email and one of our consultants can come and see you at the property to discuss your ideas in a bit more detail. Thank you.